こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make sweet miso glazed baby potatoes. If you love the rich, umami-packed flavor of miso and want to add a Japanese twist to your usual potato dishes, this recipe is for you. The baby potatoes are perfectly glazed with a sweet and savory miso sauce and a hint of chilli as a nice little kick. It's a deliciously unique dish that's simple to prepare yet full of bold flavors. Okay, let's get started. Clean 600 grams of baby potatoes. Place them in a saucepan. Add enough water to cover. And half a tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a boil and cook until fork tender about 15 minutes. Drain and let them cool slightly. In a bowl, place 2 tablespoons of red miso paste, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a quarter of a teaspoon of chilli flakes. And mix until the miso paste is completely dissolved. Chop some parsley for garnish. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add the baby potatoes and fry until they get some color. Turn off the heat and let the frying pan cool slightly, as the miso sauce can burn easily if the frying pan is too hot. Turn the heat back to medium-low. Add the miso sauce and stir-fry the baby potatoes, making sure they are well coated, for about 2 minutes or until the sauce becomes caramelized. Transfer to a serving plate and sprinkle with chopped parsley. De kita! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said. The potatoes are glazed with a rich Japanese umami goodness. The sweet, savory miso flavor makes each bite so satisfying. These sweet miso glazed baby potatoes are perfect if you are looking to switch up your usual potato side dish. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね